Hey guys, I just wanted to go over an indicator that I use to increase my Bitcoin stack over time. The thing I like about this indicator is that I only have to make about 1 or 2 trades a month, and over the course of the long haul, it increases my Bitcoin holdings. So to get to this indicator, you want to add it to Tradingview. It's called CM underscore ultimate, and it's this one right here, Ultimate MAMTF V2 by Chris Moody. And the only thing you want to change in the settings for this is the color smoothing. You want to change it from 2 to 1 and then push OK. And I just want to go over how this indicator works. Pretty much when you're in the green, you want to be buying or holding, which you already have. And as soon as the indicator turns red, you want to sell what you have. And this is just your trading stack, not your long-term hold stack, which I don't recommend you touching. So your trading stack, you want to just, once this indicator turns red and closes on the daily, which would be right here on this close, that's when you would sell. I mean, it's not perfect, and it varies throughout the days, but over the long term, it will be profitable and increase your Bitcoin stack. And so you would sell here on this close, and you would buy again on this daily close once it turns green. And again, you would exit your position right here on this close. Again, entering on this daily close, on this close, on this open. And again, you would hold it all the way up until it's red right here on this daily close. So I want to back test it a bit, and I chose this from June 20th, 2019 to June 20th, 2020. And the reason I chose this arbitrary dates is because the price is exactly the same on this date as it is on this date. You can see it's about $9,400 right here from the same date. And your Bitcoin, if you were just to hold it, would stay exactly the same. But I want to show that with this indicator, you can actually increase your holdings on this. And this time period was, mostly chop with a little bit of downturn. So the way I'm going to measure it is by, again, using, buying here when it's green and selling here once the indicator turns red. When the indicator turns red, here, I'm going to change this to green. So that was profitable, an 8% profit. So once the indicator turns red, that's when you sell. So from here to here, you made an 8% profit. And then the next one would be here, you buy here and you sell here. So that would be a 4% loss. So I'm going to go throughout the whole year and then just mark it as I did here. And I'll be back to show you how it performed over the year. All right, so here it is. I went through the whole year, and I marked when to buy and to sell. In total, there was 15 trades, and the results are that you would increase your Bitcoin stack by 27%. So your $9,400 Bitcoin here, you would have $11,960 here, which would increase your Bitcoin 27%. So which would increase your one Bitcoin to one Bitcoin 0.27. So just a couple notes. It's not super effective during chop, but where it really shines is in these upturns and downturns. See, you would have caught this 27% move here and avoided this huge drop with a small 0.5% decrease here, and again a 22% increase here. So it really shines in these big up and downturns. It saves you from these huge downturns, and you gain a lot in these upturns. But in the chop, it's you really gotta hold it through if you're gonna use this method. Another downside is that you do have to keep your Bitcoin in exchange, so there is that risk. And like I mentioned, the trading fees. I personally use KuCoin, which is a 0.1% fee. So even by the end of this, you would still come out positive and increase your Bitcoin stack. And honestly, it's not too hard to trade this method. You do just have to check pretty much on the daily close to see if the MA has turned red or green. So again, it's only like 1 or 2 trades a month. All you have to do is check it once a day to make sure that, okay, this line is still red, and okay, here the line turned green, so it's time to buy. It's just, I mean, it's not as simple as a buy and hold method, but you do increase your stack with a little effort. So just to conclude, I would recommend that you go and backtest this yourself to see if this indicator works for you. Again, past performance isn't a guarantee of future results, but I have found that this indicator does work for me personally.